Maybe I was tired of lifting the bed to access our clothing, or maybe I just wanted an excuse for a fun project. Either way, I'm loving this thing. Let's journey to the land of linear actuators. Right away, you'll see it can be a scary and overwhelming place. There's countless variables: overall length while extended, length while retracted, the stroke length, the lift force, the lift speed, and the mounting plate dimensions. But after a few hours of calculations, measurements, and a fair amount of guessing, I settled on this unit. I did a quick bench test and found it's actually only 10 millimeters per second speed and not 14, but that's totally fine by me. Nearly all of these offshore actuators use the same motor and just use different internal gear reduction, so typically the slower it is, the stronger it is. Anyway, into the van, it was total guesswork at the angle and mounting points. I 100% could have planned and calculated it all, but I was just feeling a little too antsy. Now, since this actuator isn't lifting straight up, you do have to realize there are a lot of lateral forces at play here, especially from the fully closed position. Yeah. Oops. Going to have to upgrade that. I was going to use this metal L bracket, but eventually tried using some 8mm size nuts, bolts, and washers through this 3/4 inch MDF board, and it seems to be working nicely. Now I'll wire in this dual pole, dual throw switch. The actuator has internal stop switches at the fully closed and fully open positions, so you don't need to worry about overextending it or the unit imploding on itself while closing. All this switch does is reverse the current flow to the actuator. So let's wire it in and test it out. Wiring is all done. Let's pop in our 5-amp fuse and see what happens. And hopefully the switch is going in the right direction now. It is. Oh boy. That's so nice. Wow. It's so beautiful. Well, I don't know what else to show. I think that's pretty much it. Man, talk about a giant upgrade, and pretty cheap too. Anyway, maybe that helps inspire you for one of your future projects. I hope it does. Share what kind of cool projects you could use this linear actuator for. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.